Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Hercules Beetle in Heartopia. You'll need to be level 10 of the insect catching hobby, and it spawns during the daytime and dusk. You can also catch it when it is sunny or rainbow, but not when it is raining. And it spawns in the Onen Mountain Lake, Crater Lake area, so around this area. And I did use the sense booster because it's easier that way. You can find it down here, but I did find it near the lakes itself. Um, and you'll find them on trees. And this is what it looks like. It was behind a it was actually behind a tree, but because I used the sense booster, I could immediately catch it. But yeah, just use a sense booster because it makes everything easier. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!